So this is one of the squares, Santa Catalina, excuse my pronunciation. So we're going to have a look around. So there's a little thing there where, I don't know, street furniture where it's like a statue of a guy cleaning the shoes. There's actually a guy sitting there, but I don't think the statue's going to clean his shoes. So as I say, this is a square. There's lots of little cafes. And these are the Christmas plants, poinsettias I think they're called, like red. I'm not sure whether they dyed the leaves to make them that colour. And just over there you got Super Dino, and that is where you get the bus to the airport. I recently recorded a video of that area and the bus station, so if you're looking to get the bus, there it is, Super Dino. And remember, we're in the square. Let's have a little look around. So I'm always amazed at the tree roots. They're amazing, aren't they? You know, it's like an artwork in itself. So you got just down here, you get people playing chess. Locals, they sort of sit round playing chess. Obviously, mostly guys, but that's the way I see it. And we'll have a look down there. The trees are amazing, aren't they? It's a work of art in itself, you know. Banksy, bank off. Yeah. So this is where they play chess. You can see them all sitting there. See if you can zoom in. Yeah, so they play chess there and hang about, you know. A bit down, further down. So there they are playing chess. So you get lots of people sitting off talking here. It's a nice relaxing area. And you also get the homeless here. So they've got a Burger King 3 minutes from here. Don't know if you're a fan. There's a McDonald's and Subway and the usual things. So there's a bus place where you can buy a ticket for the bus. I think they're just local buses. As I say, the airport bus is just look at my previous video, see exactly how to get the bus. It's a number 60, it costs €2.95 and it takes 40 minutes. So maybe we'll go for a little walk. What do you think? Go for a little walk along the streets. So that's Pharmacia, which is a chemist. So there's plenty of people around. I think it's 29th of December 2022. There's a hostel there. How much about it? So I see there's plenty of shops. There's a spa. Loads of these kebab places, you know. Do like a set meal, I don't know, €6. So you see loads of people having tea or coffee or whatever they're having on the street. So basically I'm filming what I can see. So it's one of these kebab places here. That's a chicken beef with rice or something, $4.95. So it's not expensive. And this guy's selling lottery tickets. So the traffic usually stops, well they do stop for you once you enter the zebra crossing, which is very nice, you know. So there's a little bit of a mad wander. So remember, I always look at empty shops. There's an empty shop. That could be your shop. So remember to put a like, put a comment, and subscribe. So we've got lots of these Chinese shops, you know, the knickknacks, whatever. You know, if you need a phone lead, a computer lead, or a cheap t-shirt or some socks, they're the places to go. So we've also got Western Union if you want to transfer some money. So there's a nail bar, and we might leave it with this bike, or should we go a little bit further? Yeah, we'll leave it with the bike. So remember to put a like, subscribe, and put a comment. Thank you.